In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to Trello cards. Adding images to your Trello cards is a simple way to make tasks clearer, share visual context, and keep everything your team needs in one place. Let's walk through it together, and I'll point out what you'll see on screen so you feel confident the entire time. Start by opening your web browser and going to Trello.com. Once Trello loads, you'll land on the home area where you can access your workspaces and boards. If you're using Trello for the first time on this device, make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you can see the boards you expect. Next, click Boards. This opens a view of the boards you have access to. Think of a board as a project hub that contains lists and cards. Lists are the columns and cards are the individual tasks or items inside those columns. Select the board you want to work in and click it to open. After the board loads, find the card you want to enhance with an image. Cards typically display a title. Click the card to open its detailed view. This view is where all the important information about the task lives, including descriptions, checklists, comments, and attachments. Inside the card, look for the Add area. Depending on your layout, it might appear as a set of options labeled Add to Card. Click Add to reveal the available actions. From the options that appear, click Attachment. This is where you connect files to the card. You'll see choices for adding items from your computer or from other sources depending on what's available in your workspace. Now click Choose a File. Your computer's file picker will open. Navigate to the image you want to upload. Common formats like JPG and PNG work great. If you're choosing between files, pick one that's clear and appropriately sized. Large images may take longer to upload. Using a descriptive file name can also make it easier to find later. Select the image and confirm. Trello will upload the file and attach it to the card. You'll see the image appear in the card's attachments area, often with a thumbnail preview so you can quickly recognize it. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment to finish uploading. That's all there is to it. You've gone from opening Trello to attaching an image on a specific card. If you want to add more images, simply repeat the same steps. Keeping visuals on your cards helps teammates understand context faster and makes your board more informative at a glance.